Now, the second type of presenting data is tabular presentation or tabulation. So, we have to represent our data in tabular form. So, what the basic requirements for this tabulation or for this tabular presentation? So, here are some of them. First is a statistical table should be allotted a serial number along with a self-explanatory title. So, if I want to collect information of students in terms of marks. So, what are my what should be my different columns in particular table. So, first is my heading will be what? Students marks, then my columns are roll number, name and name of different subjects. So, this statistical table is with self explanatory title. Now, what the second is, the table under consideration should be divided into caption, box head, stub and body. Now, these are the parts. So, whatever I have written over there, so those are nothing but caption, body, head, stub and body. So, what the caption is? Caption is the upper part of table. So, we have given result of students. So, is our caption describing the columns and sub columns if any, okay, which gives description of your columns or sub columns. The box head is the entire upper part of table. So, box head is important, okay. So, I wrote there marks of students is actually box head, which includes columns and sub columns, numbers, units of measures along with caption, right. So, stub is the left part of the table. So, I am writing there roll number. So, that roll numbers are nothing but my stub, providing the description of rows, right. And the body is the main part of table that contains the numerical figures. Yes. So, the marks filled by all students gives me my body of table. Now, what they have given the third is the table should be well balanced in length and breadth. So, if I am considering data of, let us consider 20 students. So, one roll number 1 to 20 I have to write it serially, and if it consists of 5 columns, then this is well balanced length and breadth table, right. So, if I consider a table consisting of, let us consider 100 columns, and if I want to find some data, so it will be very difficult for computer to fetch that data. So, you have to write your table in systematic format, or it should not be too lengthy, okay. What is the next one? The data should be arranged intelligently in a well balanced sequence. So, why they have mentioned this? Because whenever I want any data, it should be we can retry that data easily, okay. So, this is very important. And last is notes describe the sources of data and bringing clarity if necessary. For example, if I am considering weight of students, so in for that column you should write whether it is in terms of kilogram, grams, etc. If you are considering height of students, whether it will be in feet or centimeter, that you have to mention. Now, here some examples they have given us. So, this is the first one. So, what they have given, what we understood from this? So, this is table 14.1 is your heading, here members of TU, okay. So, there we in the previous slide we described that textual form of company members. So, here members of TU, here non-members of TU, and here it is total. So, what they have given year, here 2009, 2010. So, this is called as what? This is your, I think, caption. 1 minute, I will check. No, what it is? Sorry, it's not caption, it is stub. Yes, it is stub. So, this